Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is me, Steph Lawrence, and I'm back on here with another video. Before we get right into it, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I'll be waiting for you guys in the comment section. In this video, I decided to try out the newly launched Lagos Blue train, and I'm going to be telling you guys how I navigated my way through it. So this is the entrance, as you guys can see. I walked in, I got to the ticket office, I got the Kari card for 500 naira and additional 100 naira for getting my name on the card. A heads up, this is my first time using the train, so I really was clueless. I just had to ask questions. So I got the ticket from Alto to Marina, cost 600 naira approximately, because it said 565 naira, so I just put in 1200 naira in my Kari card. Then I headed to the train. First off, I had to tap my card on this place you see me going. When you tap your card there, it's just like you checking into the train. It shows you how much you're paying for the train and also shows you your balance. I went on a Monday and I noticed we were to be seated 6 on a seat. It was really neat. Everything was, intact. Monday is the beginning of the week. That explains why everywhere is so packed. People going to work, people going to their businesses, people going to shops and all. It was super easy to get my Kari card. It was seamless. Unlike the Lagos, thing. If you stay in Lagos or if you've ever been in Lagos, you will know how things are always, a hustle. But for this, personally for me, I didn't need to stress. I didn't have to stress at all. You guys, I was in awe. This is 4 months after the launch, and this thing, the train is still very neat. No, nothing has spoiled, nothing is bad. And let me tell you guys, this train is fully air conditioned. I'm telling you guys, I didn't sweat where? I didn't sweat. It beats the whole downfall trailer, keke, bike. No, this is safe, 100% safe. If you're in Lagos and you've not tried it out, please, this should be your only means of transport. If you're a soft girl, if you're a soft boy, this should be your only means of transport. This train made me realize we've been suffering in Lagos for the past years. It was so easy. The ride was super fast. I'm when you hear about train, you think it's really slow because maybe the way it moves. But we got to Marina in less than 30 minutes. I'm going to show you guys timestamps if you guys want that. It was so easy. Air condition, Wi-Fi. No, bro. Lagos is definitely the best. One thing I really liked here was the fact that they had Lagos transportation personnel inside the train, definitely to guide the place, to make sure people don't, create a scene, fight, or whatever in there. It's just so orderly and organized, so I loved it. Another reason why, as someone in Lagos, you should use the train more often is the fact that you will meet no traffic. If you are going to work and you're trying to meet time, you're going anywhere, you're trying to beat Lagos traffic, please do use the train because it was so fast. We even saw traffic on different routes and on different lanes, but it's with the train, it's a one-way thing. Did I forget to mention the view? It was giving tourist. It was giving tourism. It was just giving another country. I've never seen Lagos like this before, in such heights. No, I've never seen Lagos. And let me just be truthful. It was so beautiful. It was like a scene to behold. Throughout the journey from Alto, people really came down. But as soon as we got to Marina, the train got empty, as you guys could see.
Okay, wow.
It's giving. Sir, which door, please? This one. Wow. It's so clean, guys. The train is so freaking clean. My God, it exceeded my expectations. While people were getting down from the train, I was making videos, so I had to wait for the doors of the train to open back up. I had 9 minutes to go tap my car since I was going back to mile 2. You guys, I have just less than 10 minutes to go and charge up my car. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me use the escalator. Good morning. The train was launched in September. When did you use it for the first time?
I used it a week after.
Okay, so far, what do you think? Do you think they maintain their standard, or do you think so?
The experience has been good because
yes. Truly, that's true. It's better. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah. So yeah, tell me your own experience so far. When did you start using it?
My first time. My first experience, my sister.
This is your first experience?
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
This is what I'm taking my girl to work like to go for beach.
Why?
I don't like it.
No, but it's nice. It has air condition. It's clean. Okay, no problem.
I'm scared though.
Why?
I don't just know. Maybe because I don't like rickshaw. I don't know.
No problem. So guys, this is my first time using the Lagos Blue train, and it's just bliss. I'm so happy I got the opportunity to try this out. First off, I was asked to get a Cowrie card. So this card basically gives you the permission. It's what you basically use to travel or use the train. With this card, you can access anywhere in Lagos with the train. It goes from what's it called, mile 2 to Marina. It's supposed to get to Okomaiko, Lasu, Volkswagen, and the rest of them, but for now it's still under construction. It's not done, but before the end of the year, by the grace of God, we should be able to even use it to travel to to get to the border of Nigeria. So it's such a good experience. If you're in Lagos and you've not tried it, I don't know what is stopping you, what is holding you back. I was expecting, since it's Lagos and nothing, I don't know if I'll say nothing really stays brand new, but to be quite honest, I mean the train is super neat. The chairs or the stuff which you sit on is still intact. It's so clean, fully air conditioned, man. It's just cool. It's so nice. I will definitely be using the train, and I'll ask my dad, my sisters, my mom to always use the train as a means of transportation. And trust me, it beats the hustle and bustle of Lagos downfall. Trust me, if you've not gotten this and you're in Lagos, please go get yours. I got this for 600 naira, 500 naira. Then to write my name, to get my name on it, cost 100 naira. Then I put in 1,002 because from mile 2 to Marina costs 565 naira. But I just rounded it up. There's another train now passing. So it's so beautiful and it gives you a good view of Lagos State. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next one. Love you. Bye.